Welcome back, everyone. Today, I have an exciting topic to share with you all. We'll be diving into the world of Pinterest affiliate marketing and how even beginners can start making $10 a day or more. Yes, you heard that right. $10 a day might not sound like much, but it's a fantastic starting point that can lead to much more down the road. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing some insider tips and tricks that can really skyrocket your earnings. Imagine waking up every morning to an extra $10 in your pocket just by leveraging the power of Pinterest. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how you can turn that imagination into a reality. Also, don't forget to download the free book on how to make money online using AI chatbots without coding. The link is in the description down below. So let's get started. Pinterest is not just another social media platform. It's a powerful tool for affiliate marketers to tap into a massive pool of potential customers. With over 400 million active users globally, Pinterest offers a unique visual discovery experience that sets it apart from other platforms. Users come to Pinterest with a mindset of exploration and inspiration, making it an ideal environment for promoting affiliate products. The key to leveraging Pinterest for affiliate marketing lies in understanding its algorithm and user behavior. Unlike traditional social media platforms where content is fleeting, Pinterest content has a longer lifespan due to its search and discovery features. Pins can resurface weeks or even months after they are initially posted, providing ongoing exposure and opportunities for engagement. As an affiliate marketer, your goal is to create content that resonates with Pinterest users and encourages them to take action, whether it's clicking through to your affiliate link or saving the pin for future reference. This requires a strategic approach to pin design, keyword optimization, and content planning. By mastering the nuances of Pinterest platform, you can unlock its full potential as a revenue-generating channel for your affiliate marketing efforts. Before we continue, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Leave a comment down below with the country you live in. Choosing profitable affiliate products. Selecting the right affiliate products is crucial for success in Pinterest affiliate marketing. Begin by researching and identifying products that align with your niche and target audience's interests. Look for products that offer value and solve a problem or fulfill a need for your audience. It's essential to choose products that you genuinely believe in and would recommend to others, as authenticity builds trust with your audience. When evaluating affiliate programs, pay attention to the commission structure and earnings potential. Opt for programs that offer competitive commissions and provide support and resources for affiliates, such as promotional materials, affiliate dashboards, and tracking tools. High-quality affiliate programs often provide detailed analytics and reporting, allowing you to track your performance and optimize your strategies for better results. Another factor to consider is the popularity and reputation of the affiliate products and brands you promote. Select products from reputable companies with a track record of customer satisfaction and ethical business practices. Positive reviews and testimonials can significantly impact your credibility as an affiliate, leading to higher conversion rates and repeat business. By carefully choosing profitable affiliate products, you set yourself up for success and maximize your earning potential on Pinterest. Creating compelling pins. The visual aspect is paramount on Pinterest, making the creation of compelling pins a critical step in your affiliate marketing strategy. Start by understanding your audience's preferences and interests and tailor your pin designs accordingly. Use high-quality images or graphics that are visually appealing and relevant to the affiliate product you are promoting. Incorporate colors, fonts, and styles that resonate with your brand identity and catch the viewer's attention as they scroll through their feed. Adding clear and concise text overlay to your pins can significantly enhance their effectiveness. Use compelling headlines, product benefits, or call-to-action phrases that entice users to engage with your pin. Keep the text brief and easy to read, avoiding clutter or excessive information that may distract or confuse viewers. The goal is to pique curiosity and prompt users to click through to learn more about the affiliate product. Utilize design tools like Canva, Adobe Spark, or even Pinterest's own built-in editor to create professional-looking pins quickly and easily. Experiment with different layouts, formats, and styles to find what resonates best with your audience. A/B testing can also be valuable in determining which pin variations drive higher click-through rates and conversions. Remember, the more visually appealing and engaging your pins are, the more likely they are to attract clicks and ultimately generate affiliate sales. If you're eager to quit the 9-to-5 hamster wheel, make sure you subscribe so I can keep creating more content like this. Optimizing your Pinterest profile. Optimizing your Pinterest profile is essential to maximize your visibility and reach on the platform. Start by ensuring that your profile reflects your niche or area of expertise. Use a clear and descriptive profile photo that represents your brand or persona. Craft a compelling bio that succinctly introduces who you are, what you do, and why users should follow you. Incorporate relevant keywords in your bio to improve discoverability in Pinterest search results. Create theme boards that align with your niche and audience interests. Organize your boards strategically, placing your most important or popular boards at the top for maximum exposure. Optimize board titles and descriptions with keywords related to the board's content to improve searchability and attract targeted followers. Regularly update and curate your boards with fresh, high-quality pins to keep your profile engaging and relevant. Consistency is key to building a strong Pinterest presence. Develop a posting schedule and stick to it to maintain a steady flow of content for your audience. Aim to pin new content daily or at least several times a week to stay active and visible in users' feeds. Engage with other users by repinning, liking, and commenting on relevant content to foster connections and grow your network. By optimizing your Pinterest profile and maintaining an active presence, you can increase your chances of attracting followers, driving traffic, and ultimately boosting your affiliate marketing success. If you can't wait to achieve financial freedom and live life on your terms, hit the like button. Driving traffic and conversions. Once you have set up your Pinterest profile and created compelling pins, the next step is to focus on driving traffic and conversions to your affiliate offers. One effective strategy is to leverage Pinterest group boards, which allow multiple contributors to share content with a larger audience. Join relevant group boards within your niche or industry and actively participate by sharing valuable content and engaging with other members. Group boards can significantly expand your reach and attract new followers who may be interested in your affiliate products. Utilize Pinterest's Rich Pins feature to enhance the visibility and appeal of your affiliate content. Rich Pins provide additional context and information directly on the pin, such as product details, pricing, and availability. This added functionality not only improves the user experience, but also increases the likelihood of clicks and conversions. Ensure that your affiliate links are properly formatted and comply with Pinterest guidelines to avoid any issues or penalties. Consider investing in promoted pins to boost the visibility of your top-performing affiliate content. Promoted pins appear in users' feeds and search results, reaching a broader audience beyond your organic reach. Set clear goals and targeting parameters for your promoted pins, such as demographics, interests, and keywords, to reach the most relevant audience for your affiliate offers. Monitor and analyze the performance of your promoted pins regularly, adjusting your strategies as needed to optimize for higher click-through rates and conversions. By leveraging these advanced features and strategies, you can drive targeted traffic to your affiliate offers and maximize your earning potential on Pinterest. If you want to earn $5 every 30 seconds for free from home, make sure you click the video showing on the screen.